Hey everyone! How's it going? My name is Henry, and in today's video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Enki Elixir before you decide to buy it. I also have some important warnings to share, so make sure you stick around until the end of this video to avoid wasting your money. First things first. Be very careful about where you purchase Enki Elixir. Right now, it's only available on the official website. To make it easy for you, I've included the official link in the video description and pinned it in the first comment below. I'm here to share my experience with Enki Elixir and help you determine if it's the right choice for you. What is Enki Elixir? Enki Elixir is a natural supplement designed to promote mental clarity, focus, and overall well-being. It features a blend of powerful, all-natural ingredients, each known for their unique health benefits. Eleuthero Root helps reduce stress and enhance cognitive function. Ladies' Mantle Herb boosts vitality and balance. Sacred Licorice Root supports energy levels and stress management. Pure Peppermint Oil aids digestion and improves mental clarity. These ingredients work together synergistically, helping you feel more energized, focused, and aligned with your healthiest self. How does Enki Elixir work? Enki Elixir combines the natural benefits of its ingredients to improve mental clarity, energy, and overall well-being. Here is how each one plays a role. Eleuthero Root, as an adaptogen, it helps your body manage stress and fatigue. It improves cognitive performance and keeps you mentally sharp throughout the day. Ladies' Mantle Herb, known for its balancing properties, it supports your immune system, reduces inflammation, and promotes overall vitality. Sacred Licorice Root regulates cortisol levels to manage stress, while providing a natural energy boost without the crash you get from caffeine. Pure Peppermint Oil soothes digestion, reduces discomfort, and stimulates your mind to improve focus and concentration. Together, these ingredients create a balanced formula that supports mental clarity, reduces stress, and helps you stay energized and aligned with your best self. If you're thinking about trying Enki Elixir, I hope this review has given you the clarity you need to make an informed decision. Don't forget to use the official website link in the description or pinned comment to avoid counterfeit products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.